Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to be drawing a bouquet of roses to celebrate love. But before we get started, I wanted to share a little fun fact with you about why roses symbolize love. So, it is known in Roman mythology that this flower, this type of flower, was created by Aphrodite, the goddess of love. So, that is why, obviously, right? So I really hope you love that fun fact. So now let's get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this sweet bouquet, let's start by drawing a big curve all the way across. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to go all the way across, and when I go across, I'm just going to give it a slight wobble all the way across because I have a bunch of roses on the top, and I'm just going to drag a point across, say about right here. Just make sure I'm going in the right direction. About the same height on the other side. So now this big curve across. From there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve down. So this is the wrapper part where all the roses are put together. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a big curve towards the center. Right here and here. So about right there would be my center, and then about right here I'm going to stop and draw a curve right in the center. So that's where my bow is going to be. And then since I'm here, let's go ahead and draw the bow. So using this as my curve from my center, I'm going to go ahead and draw little part from my bow in the center, and then let's draw our bow. So I'm going to come out, nice big bow. So about right here, I'm going to pop this out, give it a little wobble, and then bring it right back in. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Nice big bow, so nice wobble, and bring it in. There. So then now I have that, let's give it some details. I'm going to come in here and just give it a loop right here and here as well. And then let's draw the center crease right here. And then the bottom, the tail. So let's come right here. I'm going to add a tail, come out with two curves, and then two angles inside. So same thing on the other side. Right there, and then the bottom of our wrapping. So let's come out right here. We're going to pop it out right here and here, about right there. And then now I'm centered. I'm going to go ahead and just curve all the way across there to end it. And then let's draw some creases here as well. So let's go up, give it some loops. One right there, maybe three of them, and the bottom as well. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw our roses, right? So let's come to the top, and I'm going to totally simplify this, so hopefully this helps you to draw your rose nice and easy. And I just want to fill this part, top part up here. So I'm going to start right here on this corner right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and wobble my way around. One big one right here, and now I'll come to the center, and I'll just go ahead and start swirling my way around. There. So nice, simple, easy way to draw roses. We got one right there, and then let's put one over here. So you can always start in the center. You can go like this if you like. That's the nice thing about roses. They're very complicated, but then you can also draw them very simple. I guess because they're so complicated. So you can do that as well if that is easier. And so let's do that over here. So kind of know I want one big one right here, so I'll start from the outside first right there, and I'll put my center about right here. So I'm just gonna go around. So sometimes you can just mix it up right there. So like I said, it really doesn't matter. So you just want to cut up your pieces right here. So you can even add more right here. So by adding that curve, you add another layer of petal. So like I said, doesn't really matter. There. Okay, so then let's add, before I finish that, let's come right here. I'm going to add some leaves just to put some green in here. One here maybe, and one here. Okay, now let's draw the other two. So I want it nice and full. So I'll come about right here. Just draw the outside first, wobble. And I'll put the center in here. One more, so nice and full like I said. So about right here, I'll add another one right there, and let's put the center here and wobble. There, so hopefully that helps. And now we have our 5 beautiful roses in. Let's add some leaves on the outside. Maybe one here. And let's keep going around. And one more. Whatever you need to fill up the space. So, okay, so now we're done with that part. Let's bring it to life and make it extra cute. So let's come in this area right here. We're going to add 2 big circles for some draw so cute eyes. That's if you want to make it extra cute, right? So let's come across about right here and draw another eye. So another big circle. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with 2 small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and a shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Now that we have our eyes in, let's come above each eye. I'm going to draw a soft curve just to anchor it. Make this one a little bit rounder. Okay, and then let's just add a tiny little lash right here just to spruce it up a little bit. And then a big smile. So let's come right here in the center, draw a curve, cap it off, and then a deeper curve at the bottom. And a little tongue, and hopefully that makes it look extra sweet. And last but not least, let's add a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute bouquet, right? For Valentine's or any time to show someone that you love them. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this cute and sweet bouquet of roses turned out, and that I made the roses really easier for you to draw. So it's just a very loose and simple way of drawing roses that makes it still look like a rose without going to all the crazy complicated details. So I really hope you made this fun and easy, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.